Good afternoon, everybody. We're here in a beautiful village just up the mountain from Espinhal and Penela, and I'm going to show you a 4-bedroom place. What you can see now is the land, part of the land with the property. There's a little lane that cuts between the land and the house. So what you can see on the right and the other lane is part of it. There'll be dimensions that you can see on our website. Okay, I'm on the top floor, the first floor, with a little Juliet balcony, and let's go inside. So now this house, I really like this. It's been done up, it's preserved all what they could preserve from the original structure, because it's not a newish property, it's quite an old property. We have what looks like the original wooden floorboards. There are the stairs going down, and one of the cellar plays the drums. Okay, now typically you can see 2 bedrooms side by side. These are our original bedrooms with the original doors, original frames, and let's go and have a look. By the way, it is 4 bedrooms. So here we are, original floor, and I think the original ceiling too. There's the window. Let me go in. And I think practically everything is being left. So you'll see more from this angle. You can see the thickness of the walls. They're probably 55 centimeters. Okay. So what we have on the right is more or less exactly the same. But this one has a window overlooking the pool. I think the pool has been a water tank originally, that has been converted now to it's a decent sized pool actually. It looks to be about 3 by 4.5 or 3 by 5. I can confirm that later in the ad. Okay, so here we are again. That nice ceiling, original floorboards, and double doors with the fan light above. Now we go on from here to a central corridor, and on the right is quite a big bathroom, as you'll see. We have the bath, the bidet, and the WC, and wash hand basin, and it looks to be, the floor looks to be in like a slate, coloured slate. I can check up on that. We have a towel rail heater for the winter, and the ceiling has been renewed. I think the ceiling's in PVC, white PVC. The good thing about this place is there's no dark rooms to it. It's really full of natural light. And of course, the brightness of the decor helps that. Okay, across from the bathroom is, I would say, a single bedroom. Again, this looks like it has the original ceiling. We're now on concrete floors. And here is the window. I think the windows are in single glaze mostly, and they're aluminium. All right, this one now being used as sewing room and wet room. There's access to the loft. So this would be classed as bedroom number 3. And this is the favourite bedroom of mine. Let me go right over here. This is wonderful. Okay, double bed, door to a terrace. We have a wood burner fire. Some units here in wonderful, I don't know what this is actually. This has got me. I'll have to try and find out what kind of wood this is. But whoever's made them, they're bespoke obviously. And they match the chair. Wow, look at that chair. Superb. And a basin and vanity unit with nice mirror above. And we have this wood burner again. So really, this is being used as a master bedroom, but could be turned into another lounge, should you want it, or whatever takes your fancy. Floor, we're on concrete again. As I say, a really light, lots of natural light coming into this place. Really bright, although I know we have a nice sunny day today. It's about 31 degrees Celsius and we're in August. Okay, from here we have this balcony that overlooks a little courtyard, and the courtyard has steps leading down here that you can see, and we're going to go down there. I'm going to do the ground floor level all in one shoot, but let me give you some of this. Countryside around is absolutely stunning. Right at the top there you can see a spire, that's a little chapel, and there are some neighbours, but I would say 50-60% of this particular village is inhabited. A lot of them, you have a lot of people using this particular village for holiday homes. Right, so let's go back in, show you where we've been, and then we'll go downstairs. Okay. So down the corridor, and we're going to now turn left, down the stairs, past the guitar. Yeah, so I could have been a contender. All right, down here, we're now going to come in, we're going to go left and into what is a very large lounge area, really spacious lounge area. We have what look like York stone flags, but in fact have been really professionally manufactured by somebody here in Portugal, and they've made a wonderful job of it. Absolutely stunning area. Look at those thick walls. Okay. Sofa and another wood burner, quite a big one, this one. So you'll be needing that, not much, maybe 2 or 3 months in the year. Come round. Sofa, and oh, sorry, not forgetting the TV behind me. Okay. So this leads on to an open plan kitchen diner. There's the stairs going up, and we have a central island that is once again, wow, a really substantial piece of wood. That wonderful floor passes through from the lounge, and then we have stainless steel sink with mixer tap, cupboards underneath, very traditional Portuguese. This looks like polished, it's a work surface, yeah. I probably purchased from Coimbra, a place called Leroy Merlin. If you buy this place, everybody heads for Leroy Merlin eventually. Okay, the stairs, cupboards underneath for storage. Nice wall unit, looks like a little Welsh dresser. A matching cupboard to the left. And we have a 5 gas ring oven and stove. To the left of it, a fridge freezer. Let me go tuck myself in this corner, show you where we've just been. Okay, right, out from here we have what I would describe as an anteroom that's being used also as a dining room. Lovely cute little stove, and I think I should mention that nearly everything is being left in this particular room. Sorry, in this particular property. We can create an inventory for whoever's interested and show you exactly what will be left at the property. That floor again, beautiful. Okay. I like this, what they've done with the wall here. Nice. Like a tapestry hanging there. Okay. Ah, gladius. Wonder what that tastes like. All right, so out from here, we come into what would be the main entrance from the lane in front. Let me just poke my camera out here. Okay. There you have the lane with the ladies walking up and down. So in here, it looks like we have the washing machine. Okay. And let's go outside. So you remember we mentioned we were up top over the courtyard. Well, we're now in the courtyard. Nice sofa. And somebody's talented, look at that. That looks like vines on the wall there to me. And there's the stairs going up. All right, so let's go into the rear of the property now. Look at that wonderful palm. That is old, really old. I don't know, I would hazard a guess 75 to 100 years old. Crushed stone path surrounding the palm. And we have 2 storage units that you can see here. Okay, it's the first one. Another one here. This houses the DIY tools, saws, quite a lot of stuff actually. Out we come again. There's that fantastic palm. And here's the back of the house. Now we're going to walk up into the garden area at the rear. Let me just turn around here. We've got a barbecue area here first. Okay, 2 steps, crushed stone again. So on we go. Look at this wonderful private area. Really nice. Oh, we've got a bit of a fresh breeze blowing today. I should mention also that at the back of the sun loungers, on the other side of this fence here, is constant water flow. It's like a water race, and you can use that to irrigate the garden etc., plants and so on. Look at that, isn't that a wonderful view? Absolutely gorgeous. And there's the house. Okay, the window that you can see with the curtain flapping, that was one of the smaller bedrooms on the gable end. Here we have the cistern that's now used as a pool. Let's go to the end. There is entrance that you can see. Can you see the double gates over there? That's the start of the land this side of the country lane. Don't forget, we have the other side as well. So, surrounded by absolutely stunning views. Okay, let me just poke this through here, and there's the other land with the property. What I will do, anybody interested, I'll send you a Google Earth aerial view that defines the borders of all the property. So there you have it. New to the internet, it will be going on our websites this week, which is the second week in August, and have a look. If you're interested, you can contact us on 00351 916 270 953, or email us at the address you'll find at the end of this video. Thank you. Okay, we've come now to the front of the house. Remember me mentioning the little lane, cobble lane? Oh, here you can see it. And parking area for 3, 4, 5 cars. Land at the top. And there you have the lane going right up to the top. And that's that Juliet balcony. And let me show you this entrance, it's wonderful. Isn't that cute? Oh, really nice. Okay, so there you have it. As I say, get in touch should you want to have a look at it. Sorry, just show you this. There's the water meter, and it's connected to the mains electric also, with a soak away drain at the rear. Thank you.